Hi, I'm Gabby with New Skin, and today I'm here to give you a quick demo of our incredible Dr. Dana Nail Renewal System, where you get attractive nails in just minutes. But before we start, make sure your nails are clean and dry. This means no polish, no gels, just your natural and bare nails. I promise you a short nail break once a week is just what the doctor ordered. Trust me. Okay, let's get started. There are 3 simple steps that you should follow. And we begin with our glycolic prep. So open the product and twist the bottom until a drop of product appears on the top, like this. And then apply an even coat to your nail. Not too much. And you let it dry. Our next step is a little bit of priming wand magic. So the priming wand has 3 different surfaces, and you begin with surface number 1. And use surface 1 to buff out your nails a few times. And I do it until a whitish layer appears, like so. And then you use surface number 2 and use it about 2 to 5 times. And what I like to do is kind of press down into your nails to get it all even. And we move on to our last surface, surface number 3. And keep at surface 3 until your nails look nice and shiny. And you'll hear some squeaky noises, which tells you that it's working really good. Then, once you're done, okay, doesn't that look absolutely amazing? But we're not actually quite done yet. We have our final step where we get to apply our deep hydrating formula. So this is my absolute favorite step because this gel oil that you see is a mix of natural and moisturizing oils that are good for your nails and cuticles. So make sure you put as much as you need to make sure that your nails and cuticles are hydrated. Be generous all around. And after you've applied that, gently massage it in with your finger to get all of that good stuff fully absorbed. Okay, and now we're done. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? So 10 nails, 10 minutes just once a week for this gorgeous and healthy looking nails. Can you see the comparison? I also have some products that work really well with this nail kit. Hand lotion, which helps soften and hydrate your skin, and also our Image HNS. So the Image HNS helps keep your hair, skin, and nails healthy from the inside out. Okay, now that you have seen some great results, it's time for you to get your own Dr. Dana Nail Renewal System and try it for yourself. I promise you'll love it as much as I do. Thank you. Bye-bye.